stunning home in coveted Colony Point. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has been meticulously renovated west/no detail overlooked. The incredible floor plan includes a gracious foyer, formal living room west/gas-burning fireplace, a massive family room, dining room, kitchen great room west/wood-burning fireplace and gourmet kitchen west/an oversized island, custom cabinetry, Thermador appliances, and quartz counters. Upstairs you find 4 bedrooms including a luxurious primary bedroom west/spa-like ensuite bath west/dual vanities, and a stunning hall bath. Additional features include an attached garage, spacious backyard west/hardscaping and a covered side porch,